guys, thank you so much for joining my channel. Welcome on back. I'm your girl Intisar, Eleanor, and we are doing things love, sex, magic, because it is Valentine's Day. So I am going to go on through today, style this unit up. This is a Hurela hair unit, so you are seeing her in real time. She is absolutely positively everything. When I mean this style is effortless, it takes no time, using our Kiss Instawave. Y'all just stay tuned and see what we working with.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Well, hello, my love. Welcome back on in. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl, Intisar Eleanor. I hope you are as excited about getting into whatever we're getting into today, which is a get ready with me. I have a lot to do. Joe and I are going on a double date, okay? With our good friends, and one, my nails are not done, so I'm going to be putting on my Kiss nails, okay, that I don't have in front of me, and two, we got to get our wig together, as well as beat our face and get dressed. So a lot to do, a little bit at a time. So I'm going to be using today is a Hurela hair body wave unit, 13x4 body wave, okay. Got our bag, some wig caps, a hairband. Okay, so this is the 24-inch unit we're going to be using today. I'm actually super excited about this one. Really, really pretty. She looks really thick. The lace is already kind of brown and tinted. Can you see that? You can even see how they bleached the knots. So there are two combs, okay, on the side, one in the back. We have some lace in the back as well as adjustable straps for kind of forever, and a band, which we love, which almost makes me feel like you can wear this glueless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut my mouth. We're going to start getting her together, get me together, and I'm going to just talk y'all through it.
All right, my loves, let's dig on into this Hurela hair 13x4 lace frontal body wave wig. So this unit on hurela.com at 150% density and 24 inches is currently going for just about $235. So yes, like any other person, they got all the 4 payments options, the Klarna, the Afterpays, whatever the case may be, because they want to make sure you, yourself, sister dear, at least gets gifted, okay, a beautiful quality unit. Now, I'm just going on through and laying this wig down with my Ibn Wig Bond, okay? Perfect product. I've been using, trying to, switch it up a bit, figure out which wig glue that I like. But the truth of the matter is, Ibn got me in a mammy tat and chokehold. So I'm just going to go on through, let this lace lay on down, and then I'm going to go on through and get the curls together using my Kiss Instawave curler. Let me say this, in real time, it took me about 7 minutes to put these curls in my head. So I'm just doing these in much larger sections. You just literally put the hair in to the slot, let it push the button to the left or right, depending on which way you want your curls. And then it will ding when the curl is hot and ready. Okay, it's really giving Little Caesars high key. So I'm going to shut my mammy tat mouth, curl the rest of this hair on up, using our Kiss Instawave curler that you can find on my Amazon store, okay? Because this tool, I believe, is just under $50, and it is absolutely positively worth it, especially if it's going to save us some time and carpal tunnel. So I'm going to shut my mammy tat mouth, finish curling my hair, and I'll see y'all on the other side.
Is from Hurela hair, okay? The texture of this hair is absolutely positively stunning. It took me all of, honest to God, I sat here and filmed it, 7 minutes to get these curls together, okay? The hair, the cap is big hair friendly, super big hair friendly. The hair is super silky, sexy, soft. I genuinely am obsessed with it. Like, this is, I love body wave units, you guys know, because I like body wave curls. I love sex and magical curls, and that's what this gave me. We're doing a Valentine's Galentine's Sexy Time series, and this is just something I think if you with them, that's your man, He's used to seeing your beautiful face, or you going out with the girls or your spouse or whomever, and they're used to seeing your beautiful face. This, I think, is the look. She's effortless. She's sexy. She's fun. She's just giving, like, face. Okay? She's giving, like, give a little length, a little bub, a little face. Okay? This unit is absolutely beautiful. The lace is unreal. And when I tell you guys, like, I'm not even joking. I wore this 3 days in a row. Like 3 days. Yesterday I wore her. I didn't have on any makeup. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. My truth is, I'm about to go downstairs. It's Eagle Sunday. I'm about to go downstairs, fry up some fish for my man, make a little bake. And that's what we about to do. Okay? I am so into this. Again, this was date night hair. I wanted to make sure I came back and gave you guys the real deal holy feel. I don't have on earrings. Y'all know we cannot complete a look without earrings. Oh! She's complete. If you're looking for some love, sex, and magic, this dress is really like a Woods by Jordan Woods dupe. Okay? Take a look. Let me back on up. Give a little wagging. Woods by Jordan Woods dupe. If you have not already, do me a favor, bust down, subscribe to this channel. Check out the beautiful Hurela hair. This unit is top notch. On a scale of 1 to 10, she is a hard 8.5. Only thing I would take points off for, the only thing is that I just wish she was a little thicker. That's all, just a tinge thicker. This unit is absolutely stunning. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos. 'Tis the season for love, sex, and magic, and I want to make sure I give you guys all of that. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.